Now I cook also paksiw, galunggong. The name of fish is galunggong. This is galunggong. Suga din. This is I put garlic and then ginger and that, and then put the fish on top. This is fish, is a cheapest fish, galunggong. There's some more people, poor people here in Philippines buy a small galunggong for that. If you have bigger family, so they buy a small fish, galunggong. They cook paksiw. I put chili on top for that smell good, and then I add a half glass of vinegar, and then two glasses of water. And then you boil that until the fish cook. I add salt, then they boil the fish with the chili, ginger, garlic, vinegar. They boil until fish cook. Wow, my paksiw looks delicious. It smells good. If you want to add a little bit oil, cooking oil, it's good for that fish is not looks dry. If you don't, okay. If you don't add vinegar, cooking oil, fine. But the more good if you add a little bit cooking oil. You boil this at 5 to 10 minutes. Now I look. Wow, this is good. This is already cooked now and I'm ready to serve. This is our dinner. Haha.